In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process to download VLC Media Player for Windows 10. Open up any web browser of your choice, and then in the search bar of the web browser, type in VLC Media Player. You need to enter the website which says videoland.org. As soon as you click on it, you will land on the official website. Make sure that you download the VLC Media Player from its official website and avoid downloading it from any other websites, because along with VLC Media Player, you may have the risk of downloading viruses. So make sure that you keep that in mind. Now to download the VLC Media Player, you can click on this arrow button first. Now it will show you all the operating systems that you can download for. Now today, as we are downloading for Windows 10, you can go ahead and straight click on download VLC. As you can see, the file has started to download on my device. After the download has been completed, open it up. Now to install it in your device, simply double click it and then click on yes. Now this is the setup part. Click on next. Again, click on next. Now this has started to install. It will take a few seconds and you will be good to go. After you install the VLC Media Player, you should see a desktop shortcut, but if you don't, you can always search it VLC and you should be able to see it here. Now you can simply open it and run your application.